Hi y'all. Let's open these dahlias. I am a Maryland flower farmer and I am growing dahlias, and this year I bought a good amount of dahlias to like triple my size. So let's see what we have and do a dahlia unboxing. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is the prettiest packaging I've received. I bought from a company that I found on a Facebook group, Dahlia Sells. If you're looking for dahlias, Dahlia Sells. A company called TLC Flowers on Upton Road. How pretty, and I love the black box. Like, I just love the aesthetic. I don't really care, but if you're gonna give me aesthetic, I'm here for it. So I also really love that sticker. Okay, so as you can see, this is how they're packaged in bags with coarse vermiculite. I'm gonna run down what I got. So I got Cornel Bronze, I got 2. I don't know if there's 2 in here. So I got 2 Cornels. I don't know if there's 2 in here. Let's actually open this up and see. I placed the order on Thursday and my bank thought it was fraud at like 1 a.m. and so I woke up to it, my bank being like, this was a suspicious purchase. Da 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 da. And so, this is my Cornel. Small but firm. Again, size of the tuber does not matter, and there are indeed 2 in here. This is my other Cornel, and I see eyes on them. The other one, I don't know, I was kind of looking at it like, it looks a bit cauliflower-like. Just being very real. I don't know if that's just me. Let's look at the rest, because I am not an expert. I'm still learning. Okay. And so I got Cornel Bronze. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is huge and unnamed. I don't know what that is. I don't know if they gave me like a freebie or something. Here's Cozy Town Gale. So pretty. I'm gonna put a picture above so you can see. It's like a lemony type of sunset. And so absolutely love Cozy Town. Did it because of what they got going on, and I was just like, not for me. And they said they gave me a bonus Jowey Nicky, but I thought I actually bought Jowey Nicky. I don't know if maybe they gave me 2, but I thought I already bought Jowey Nicky from them. The Joeys, Jowey Nicky, Jowey Winnie, and there's another Jowey. Gorgeous dahlia tubers. And oh no, they did. They gave me 2 Jowey Nickies. Thanks guys. And then Ferncliff Rusty. So it was between Ferncliff Rusty and Valley Rust Bucket or something like that, but people said stronger stems, and this just puts out like it's a heavy produce through even the heat, and so I went with Ferncliff Rusty, and I really like Ferncliff. And so we're gonna see what this is, because they didn't name it on the outside. This is my Salmon Runner. This is my Salmon Runner, and it looks like there's 2 in here. This one feels really soft. That was my haul that I got. Majority of my dahlias. I do have more trades, and I have another video about a way smaller haul that I did. But yeah, I'm super excited for the dahlias, and we're gonna see how I grow them, and we're gonna see what it looks like. I do have a couple others coming in. A lady who I want to give away with, you should go check her out. Blossom and Bow, put her name there. Go check her out. Eva is the sweetest. Go shop from her. I plan on probably going to shop from her. Local flower farmers, and also just support the good people that you meet online. When I meet people online and we just have things in common or good convo, or they're just nice and we really get to know each other somewhat over online. I love to support them. Enjoyed my brief haul, and let me know if you've grown any of these tubers, but also let me know if you've grown one of these tubers and it didn't work out, but you found another dahlia that was similar but better. Always open for that conversation.